Hello everyone, this is Varsha. Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Varsha. Hope you are doing great, fantastic in your life and learning this language in a great way. Yes, I'm also fit and fine, doing fantastic and learning this language very well. My dear friends, you know very well today is day 30 of my speaking challenge, so that is why just I'm sitting in my study room and recording myself, and it is a time of afternoon. Yes, so in this video I'm going to share, my dear friends, some important, some essential, vital, pivotal phrases in front of you all, with all of you, because all the phrases just I had read yesterday in the evening time. So I think that I thought that why not? All the phrases are very, very important. So why not? We should share in front of you all, and we should share with all of you. So after that, I decided that I will share all the phrases, all the essential, pivotal, vital phrases with all of you. Yes, so in this video, I'm going to share all important phrases one by one. So without wasting our precious time, let's start this video and we jump into this video. Okay, so this video is very, very essential, very, very crucial for all of you. So first of all, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel so that you can get all the notifications related to my crucial, important, significant videos. So come to the point, we should start this video. So you know very well that I'm going to share in this video related to some important phrases, and I think all the phrases are very, very useful, beneficial and crucial for our speaking skill. Yes, and like this we can improve our speaking skills, because in the journey of speaking skill, phrases plays very, very vital role. Yes, so I'm going to share all the phrases. Just I have read yesterday one by one. And first of all, I will speak in Hindi, and after that, I will translate in English so that you can understand easily. So without further delay, we start this video. So first phrase is that ये मुश्किल नहीं है. ये मुश्किल नहीं है means if you want to do some work and any person says to you, no, 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 you can't do this, and you can't do this, it is very, very tough task for you, so that you can use that time this phrase, no, 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 it's not a rocket science. Yes, ये मुश्किल नहीं है, you can say like this, it is not a rocket science. Okay, yes, so apart from that, next one is ये उचित नहीं है. Yes, if you think that it is not good work and I should not do it like this, so if you think this is not good for me and this is not correct for me, so you can use this phrase, ये उचित नहीं है. How to say in English? This is not fair. How to say in English? This is not fair. Okay, and next one is टच में रहना. टच में रहना. Okay, so we can use like this, stay in touch. And apart from that, we can say don't be a stranger, means ajnabi mat ban jana, don't forget me, like this. So we can use this phrase, touch mein rehna, don't be a stranger, stay in touch. Okay, and apart from that, this phrase is very, very important and interesting. मुंह में दही जमा है क्या? मुंह में दही जमा है क्या? So whenever anyone just you are saying something and to other person, and just you are waiting for his response, so and just he don't want to tell you anything, and just he is silently, that time you can use this sentence, this phrase, मुंह में दही जमा है क्या? How to say in English? Cat got your tongue. मुंह में दही जमा है क्या? Cat got your tongue. Okay, so yes, and next one is मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. If you need to a favor, then you can say that मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. How to say in English? Do me a favor. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. ओके, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, मैं यह एहसान चुकाऊंगा, मीन्स अगर कोई आप पर एहसान करता है एंड यू वांट टू, एंड आप उसको क्या करते हैं, उस एहसान को चुकाना चाहते हैं, सो हाउ कैन यू से दिस, आप उस एहसान को रिटर्न करना चाहते हैं, तो यू कैन यूज दिस फ्रेज, मैं यह एहसान चुकाऊंगा। इन इंग्लिश यू कैन से लाइक दिस, I'll return the favor. I'll return the favor. Yes, simple. And apart from that, next one is जितनी जल्दी हो सके. जितनी जल्दी हो सके. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. You can use sentences, several types of sentences. जितनी जल्दी हो सके, घर पर आ जाना. Come at home. जितनी जल्दी हो सके, खाना खा लो. Eat your food. Okay, like this you can use in sentences this phrase. As simple as that. Okay, and apart from that, ये तो तुम्हारी शक्ल ही बता रही है. ये तो तुम्हारी शक्ल ही बता रही है, like you are telling a lie or you are telling a truth. Okay, so how to say in English, ये तो तुम्हारी शक्ल ही बता रही है. It is written all over your face. You can use like this phrase. It is written all over your face. Like this you can use this phrase. It is very very interesting and amazing. Okay, and next one is देर से आने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. देर से आने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. तो how to say in English, sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. देर से आने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. ओके, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन से ध्यान से. ध्यान से, just if anyone doing is doing, if any person doing any special work, any important work, or vital work, so you can say like this, you can use this phrase, ध्यान से. Be cautious. Be cautious. You can use like this. Be careful. Yes, and apart from that, you can use this phrase. Be cautious. Okay. Yes. So my dear friends, if you think this video, you can use all the phrases in your daily life, and you can learn, you can repeat all the phrases again and again, so that you can mug up and you can learn from them. And all the phrases are very very essential and crucial for our speaking journey. Yes, so I think it is very very important and special video for you. So if you think this video is supportive, constructive, and valuable and advantageous for you, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, and be cautious, do share this video. We will meet with new topic, new phrases. Till that, keep watching, keep supporting, look after you. Bye bye.